Jai Srimanarayana. 178th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Mahadyutaye Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you don't need any external help for any of your actions. Such is your splendor. You are self-effulgent. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Mahadyutaye Namaha. Om Mahadyutaye Namaha. With meditation upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. From Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, the moment Rama left Ayodhya, all the animals also crying a lot. Elephants are not eating food at all, and the cows are not giving milk to the calves, baby cows, and even after blessed with children, mothers are not at all happy, thinking that after Rama left this kingdom, why do I need these children? Like that, all the mothers also crying a lot. The stars are not illuminating, not glowing in the sky. All the planets are in a very, very bad orbits by which the dreadful danger is indicating to the king. With so much of winds, very high wind, the entire ocean is making a huge sound. The entire Nagaram, Ayodhya Nagaram, is completely drowned in grief. Ahareva, Vihareva, nobody is eating, nobody is happy, nobody is going here and there. All the people's hearts are very, very heavy. Everybody thinking about king, everybody thinking about Rama. Even the wind also is very hot, winds are blowing. Even the moon also not at all pleasant. The children also not drinking the milk from mothers. Nobody is talking to each other. Everybody is crying while taking Rama, Rama, like that everybody is crying. The moment Rama left the Ayodhya, from then onwards, Rama's friends, all of them fell on the ground. Nobody is getting up. All the elephants, all the horses, everybody making dreadful sounds. Dasharatha Maharaju looking at the path in which that chariot has gone, because chariot has gone with so much of speed, so much of dust it is creating, and all the dust is there all over the sky. Dasharatha Maharaju's vision is going all the way until wherever that dust is there, thinking that that is the way path, that is where from my Rama is gone. So Dasharatha Maharaju's vision, following that dust, thinking that he is following Rama, that dust also not quickly falling on the floor, maybe dust also must be thinking that because Dasharatha Maharaju is getting kind of solace, thinking that Rama is still in his vision. The moment the dust is completely suppressed on the floor, then Raja Dasharatha Maharaju fell on the floor thinking that I can't see Rama anymore, Rama is gone. Like that, while crying, he fell on the floor. The moment he fell on the floor, Kausalya Mata, Kaikeyi Mata, both of them came on both sides, right side and left side, and trying to lift Dasharatha Maharaju. Dasharatha Maharaju realized the touch of Kaikamma and immediately shook his hands, and while looking at dreadfully to Kaikamma, he is saying that, "Oh sinful lady, don't even dare to touch me. Come on, get away from me. From now onwards, you are not my wife at all. We have no relation between us. Not only with you, Kaika, but also with all those who related to you is not related to me at all." Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju, while crying, shouting at Kaikamma. What is going to happen next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 19th Shloka. Mahabuddhihi Mahaviryo Mahashaktihi Mahadyutihi Anirdesya Vapuhu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadridhrut. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Mahadyutaye Namaha. Om Mahadyutaye Namaha. Om Mahadyutaye Namaha.